G'day. One of the questions that gets asked quite frequently nowadays is why is it that when the roadworks have been finished, the speed limit is still reduced? A good example of that is right here behind me on the Southeastern Freeway, where we've just finished putting down the asphalt and done the line marking, but still speed restrictions. Well, the answer is that the best sort of materials to use for road surfaces just take a little bit of time to wear in. The compounds that we choose today to apply are the longer wearing compounds that are less prone to rutting and cracking, and they reduce noise and minimise the amount of spray you get during wet weather. After the road is open to traffic, our team use specialised equipment to monitor the skid resistance of the surface, and when it reaches the standard they can restore the speed limits to the original settings. Now this can take anywhere between 3 and 6 weeks typically, but it's very variable because it depends on certain things like the amount of traffic on the road and the weather conditions, and also the final speed limit, because when it's a high speed road it takes longer for the road surface to cure. And that's the answer to the question that you're probably going to be asked sometime over Christmas or the next time you're socialising, and hopefully we can help our customers to understand there's a really good reason that we do this, and it's to keep them safe.